children, let's take the third sum by using formula method. 7s square minus 5s minus 2 equals to 0. Now, those who have really studied with concepts also, basics also, will find that this sum is very, very easy. With an intention is what I have taken this particular sum. The reason behind this is, by this time there are few students who have calculated also, and they are on the verge of saying, sir, this can be easily found out by method of factorization. As in the previous two sums, it was a bit difficult from their side to find out the factors, as the factors were not directly possible. But those students have worked out, by this time must have calculated, sir, factors are very much possible. Then why are you going and doing via formula method? The reason behind this, why I have plotted this particular sum here, is that even in boards, whatever boards you are in, see to it that you read the question carefully. If the question says solve it via formula method, then you are supposed to solve it via formula method only. Even if you find that by method of factorization, the sum is much more simpler, as this sum is. This sum is very, very simple if I solve it via method of factorization. But since it is being given under the title of formula method, I have to take that formula method. So children, just take this in your mind. Whatever is the question, we are supposed to act accordingly. Again, what we are going to write down, children? Here, is it in the standard form? Indeed. Since it is in the standard form, we simply go for comparing. Comparing with, now by this time, you should be saying that with what am I going to compare? Is it going to be ax square or as square? It's going to be as square plus bs plus c equals to 0. Not ax square, it is as square plus bs plus c equals to 0. On comparing with, I get a as 7, b as minus 5 and c as minus 2. Those who wanted by method of factorization, we can easily factorize. What is our sum? Sum is minus 5. What is our product? Minus 2 into 7 minus 14. So if anybody can tell me the factors very fast, minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2 is what we got the answer. But we are going to solve via method of factorization. Method of formula. That is formula method. So with a, b and c found, we need to say what is the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c. Square of negative is positive, 25 minus of minus plus 4 sevens are 28, 28 twos are 56, 56. Now children, how much is 25 plus 56? By this time you must have calculated. Is it 81? Indeed. So what value we have for b square minus 4ac? B square minus 4ac turns out to be 81. Is it positive greater than 0? Indeed. So we have answers. So we say using the formula. Using the formula. Again, what will I write down over here? Yeah, very good, very good. Instead of x, we'll write down s. S is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is s? Minus, which is formula minus. B is minus 5. So this minus 5 belongs to b. Plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. The value turned out to be 81 by 2a. So 2 into a. A is 7. So S is equals to minus of minus plus 25 plus or minus under root of 81. Square root of 81 is 9. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. Minus of minus 25 not. It is minus of minus plus 5. Minus of minus plus 5. Sorry for that. Plus or minus under root of 81 is 9. 7 twos are 14. Now S is equals to plus 5 plus 9 by 14, or S is equals to plus 5 minus 9 by 14. S is equals to 14 by 14, or S is equals to minus 4 by 14. Cancels off. I'm left with 1. Or even if you cancel this by 2, 2 2s are, 2 7s are, minus 2 by 7. So one value of S is minus 2 by 7, that of other is 1. So this is how we have solved it via method of, or other formula method, though it was getting very easily solvable via method of factorization. But since given in the question, solve it via formula method, so we had to go for formula method.